Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, let's gather the tools you'll need for this repair. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to prevent losing any small parts. Start by ensuring your Dyson SV27 is powered off and disconnected from any charging source. Next, locate the screws that secure the trigger mechanism. There are typically 2 screws on the underside of the trigger assembly. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the trigger away from the body of the vacuum. Be cautious, as there may be wires connected to the trigger that you do not want to damage. If you encounter resistance, check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. After successfully removing the trigger, take a moment to clean the internal compartment where the trigger was located. Use your flathead screwdriver to scrape away any debris or dust buildup. This will help ensure that your new trigger works smoothly. Now, it's time to install the new trigger. Align it with the mounting points and gently press it into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. If you find that you don't have the right tools or prefer professional assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service makes it easy to get your vacuum repaired without the hassle of traveling. Once the trigger is secured, test the mechanism by pressing it several times. It should click smoothly without any obstruction. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation and make sure all screws are tight. Before you finish, take a moment to clean any remaining dust or debris from the vacuum's exterior. A clean vacuum not only looks good but also performs better. Finally, if you're unsure about any part of this process or if you need further assistance, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. It's always a good idea to get a quote before repair so you know what to expect. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient solution for your vacuum repair needs. Now that your Dyson SV27 trigger is replaced, you can enjoy hassle-free cleaning once again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.